Right, with this video over here, what I'm going to show is, first of all, I'm not going to necessarily draw the full fish tank. I've been given the length of it. I've been given the breadth of it. I've got my length going back there. I'm going to find the midpoint of the 84 line over there. How did I do that? I take a line at 60 degrees there, a line going straight across like that, and a line going up at 60 degrees to find that midpoint. I then take a center line going up over here. They've given us the height to this center line over here. That would be this length over there. And you then do a center line going across there and a center line going across there. Once I've got that in place, I can then say how far out is the face of this first hexagon that I'm going to have over here. It says it's 35 millimeters. I'm going to take 35 millimeters off here. I'm going to go to the center over there, mark that off on my center line. I'm going to draw another center line coming across here. Long dash, short dash, long dash, short dash, long dash, short dash, long dash. Going up over here, long dash, short dash, long dash, short dash, long dash, short dash, long dash. Okay. And now what I need to do is to draw an auxiliary view of that hexagon. Tells me that I've got a side of 28 millimeters. Okay, so I set my pair of compasses to 28 millimeters. I come over to a part of the drawing that's not really being used, and I'm going to draw a semicircle over here. Just don't draw it nice and dark so that you can see that down at the bottom over here. I'm now going to take my set square and I'm going to draw a line going at 60 degrees going from that corner over there. I'm going to draw a line at 60 degrees going up from that corner over there. I'm going to draw a line coming across like that. And I'm going to go to the midpoint of this thing and draw a center line. Okay, obviously I'd also have a center line going across the bottom over here, which is a bit difficult to draw on that line, but there's a center line there and a center line there. We are going to work from those center lines in order to draw the hexagon. I'm going to take this measurement over here from the center to that point over there. I'm going to transfer it to the center line over here. I'm going to mark that off there, swing it round and mark it off there on the center line. So I've got a point there and a point there for those two corners of the hexagon. The next thing is, you'll note that distance over there, I need to reduce it to get that point over there. Okay, so I'm going to take that measurement on my center line. I'm going to take it over here. I'm going to mark that off at the top there and mark that off down over there. That point and that point is the distance from the center to there. Once I've got that, I can now draw a construction line over here, a construction line over here. I'm now going to get the length of the side by taking from that center to that corner over there. I take that to that mark over there, mark off that point over there, swing it round, mark off that point over there. That is that corner, turn it round, that corner is that corner. Right, once I've got that in place, I can do the same thing up at the top, same distance. I come up here, knock that in there, knock that in there. So I've now got that point over there, that point over there. I can now draw the hexagon going from there to there, from there to there, from there to there, there to there, there to there, and you have got an isometric hexagon. It looks like a hexagon, but if you look at it, the side over here, that is not the same as the length of that side over there. Let's just show that to you a little bit better. See that length over there is not the same as that length over there. Okay? This length over here is a true length. That's the same as that. But this length over here is no longer a true length. Why? Because that hexagon has been distorted.